I'm a crane. Shut up. Shut up, voices in my head, coming from the east. Coming from the town Sarlacc pit that latches onto the side of my consciousness. Oh, I caught some Takis in the crossfire. Now the birds are here to come help me assert my territory over the crews. You can't come in here anymore. I see one. Oh shit, what the fuck is that? It's a very... I don't know, but it made me itch my nose. The realization of whatever that thing is has made me so aware of all the different energies around me right now. Crazy. I think you're crazy. I think you're crazy. I think you're crazy. Just like me. Get a job. You first, bitch. Is there mold growing in my pasta? No. Yeah, so apparently being an Aquarius moon means that I'll have a weird fucking mom that's abusive and neglectful and gaslighting. And as an Aquarius moon, when she dies, I fulfill my karmic tie. They say that Aquarius moons are placed into the family to destroy the generational karma. And then when the mother of the Aquarius moon dies, the soul contract is complete. Isn't that weird? Let's burn some clothes and trash. Hey everybody, let's burn some clothes and trash. And or trash. Clothes and or trash for today. No! No! I heard a crow in the distance trying to sneak in when I was quiet. They're trying to reassert their territory. And to do that, they caw, and the frequency destroys everything and tries to destroy my connections. And then what comes in when everything is destroyed? Something else that wraps around and constrains, and then I no longer feel like a human being. I'm a walking, help me, I'm a skinwalker, help me, help me, help me, help me, help me, help me, help me. And then my mom goes, he needs help, he needs help, he needs help. Beat him up, call the police, he's gonna kill me. And I'm like, no, it's the devil. I just need $5, I just need Chinese food, please. Chewie, you wouldn't have me committed to a mental institution for being funny, would you? I think Chewie's embezzling money for the Italians. I don't like the look in his eyes. A burning piece of wood? I do have charcoal. Where's my grill? Oh, it's got snow in it. Oh, man. Wood-fired pizza? How's pizza gonna get a job now?